Welcome back to another lesson in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at some effects that we have in CorelDRAW, and the first one is going to be the drop shadow effect. So I'm going to create a shape. Let's give it a fill color. Now I want to add a drop shadow to this. So I'll come over here, click, then select the shadow effect. Now from over here we have presets that you can select from, or you can choose to click from the center and just drag, and then you've created a drop shadow. Then you can see the properties that's changed over here. So you can change the direction of your shadow. So currently it's on drop shadow tool, but you can select the inner shadow tool. You can see the difference between the two. I'll leave it at drop shadow. Then from over here you can change the color of your shadow if you want to. You can increase the opacity of the shadow. So I will advise taking the opacity a bit down to make it not so obvious when you're designing, when you're coming up with your design. Or you can choose to click and drag on this slider over here. So you can see I'm increasing, and then you can reduce the opacity. That's okay. You can change the feather, shadow feathering if you want, but I'll leave mine at 15. So you can still do this for text. So come over here, select the text tool, I'm going to select this text. And then with the text selected, I can come over here, click, select the shadow option. Again, you can click and drag from the center. Just place it over there. I can change, let's just zoom in a little bit. I can change its opacity from over here, or I can change from over here. So I'll just reduce that. Again, the features will not change. You can change the color of the shadow and so on. So you have all these options to choose from. So I'll leave it at that. But that's basically how you apply a shadow to your text or to any object in CorelDRAW.